Hi, I'm Syafi Yusuf for BFM1 Bachelor of Aviation Management, and the topic is the impact of aircraft ongoing maintenance to the airline operation. Aircraft maintenance is basically overhaul, inspection, repair, and modification. Aircraft maintenance may include such tasks to ensuring compliance with Airworthiness Directive and service bulletins. Aircraft maintenance also is highly regulated in order to ensure safe and correct functioning during flights. The national regulations are under international standards which maintained by ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. The maintenance tasks, inspection, and modification are tightly regulated, and the staff must be licensed for the tasks they carry out. In 2015, Southwest Airline grounded 128 of its Boeing 737 after discovering it had missed some required inspections. Both the Federal Aviation Administration and Southwest said the airline was overdue for a required maintenance check on the standby hydraulic system for the planes. Southwest had to cancel approximately 80 flights because of the groundings. The last summer in 2015, the FAA proposed a $12 million fine of Southwest for failing to comply with safety-related repairs to 737s. In 2009, Southwest was fined for failing to inspect dozens of planes for cracks in the fuselage. Southwest agreed to pay $7.5 million to settle with the FAA, which had sought a $10.2 million penalty. Imagine how much money it had cost Southwest. For years, Southwest was the most punctual of big US airlines, so it stumbled toward the bottom of the government rankings for on-time arrivals was stunning. Delays are costly for airlines and their passengers. A study commissioned by Federal Aviation Administration estimated that due to increased spending on crews, fuel, and maintenance, delays cost passengers even more, nearly $17 billion. Maintenance costs will vary according to the class of aircraft, for example, jets, turboprops, pistons, and helicopters. Maintenance costs will also vary according to aircraft type, light jet, a medium, and a long range. Regardless of the class or type of aircraft, industry literature, surveys, records, and conversations indicate that maintenance costs can range from 10 to 45% of the total yearly operating expenses. 10% may not seem significant, but when the total operating cost can be in the hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, then even 10% becomes significant. Not only does the accurate and complete recording of maintenance have a significant impact on the ongoing operational cost of an aircraft, the overall value of the aircraft is impacted as well. Arguably, the most revealing pre-buy inspection is a good audit of the aircraft records. A complete audit will identify the current status of the aircraft as required by 14 CFR 91.417, uncover timeframes of no maintenance, identify inaccurate engine cycle tracking, as well as aircraft time tracking, a reveal aircraft damage history. Once an aircraft has been damaged, it is difficult to establish a value that is as high as the identical aircraft has no damage, and for our purposes, we assumed that the damage was avoidable because accident just happened.